Welcome back, you guys. I happen to be getting a Chevy V8 engine out of here. Good deal. Family member discount, so we might be getting this engine in one of our cars, so stay tuned. So I'm about to pull this motor out for the channel. Alright, been in here for a little bit, making some progress, getting this thing ready to pull out. Got the drive shafts off, a lot of this undercarriage parts, just getting her ready to go. Overall, good engine. I don't know if I'm gonna do nothing crazy with it, but once I see how healthy it looks on the inside, I might throw some boost at it. And then I'll be trying to figure out if I can mate this up to the GT transmission or if I'm gonna get me a Chevy transmission. But just a basic wear and tear you would see on a Chevy truck. But overall good. I see some guys on YouTube with 300,000 miles on these engines and they're still running smooth. A long one, but finally the LS is here. I know you Japanese guys, you might not like it, but I'm gonna clean this thing up and make it nice. Got everything to get her done. 2 days, day and a half of hard work, and now it is here. Alright, so I got the wire harness off this thing. And if anybody knows if I can turn this thing into a carbureted engine, I'm sorry, let me know what the links are or where to find the information, because I'd really like to make this a carbureted V8. After a couple hours of cleaning, this is what she looks like.